Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all kinds of viruses from your Windows 10 or 11 PC and laptop. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with cleaning up your system. Click on the search box and type Clean Manager. Once you type it, you'll see Disk Cleanup pop up. Click on it, and then click on the OK. And then it scans. Wait a minute. Once it's done, after that, a new window will appear with several checkboxes. Make sure to check all the boxes here, including the recycle bin if you don't need the deleted items. This process will remove unwanted junk from your PC or laptop. Once done, click on OK. And then click on the Delete Files to confirm. Once you're done, then, next step is to press the Windows plus A keys on your keyboard to bring up the Run box. Type temp and hit OK. A folder will open with a bunch of temporary files. Select all the files. Then right-click, and then click on the Delete to remove them. Once you're done, then close this window. Now, press Windows plus A again. Type %temp Control plus A to select all. Then right-click, and then click on the Delete. Once you're done, close the window. And finally, press Windows plus A one last time. Type prefetch. Once you type it, hit Enter. Select all with Control A and delete everything in that folder too. Now, let's use a built-in tool to catch any remaining viruses. Click on the search box and type MRT. Then select it from the results. And small format will be open. This is a free tool from Microsoft, so you don't need any third-party antivirus software. Click Next, and you'll see three options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Customized Scan. If you're in a hurry, go with Quick Scan. But if you have time, I recommend doing a full scan for a thorough check. Click Next to start scanning your Windows files. It'll automatically remove any infections or viruses it finds. After you've completed all these steps, make sure to restart your PC or laptop. You'll find that all viruses and malware infections are gone, and your computer's performance will be significantly improved. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.